Hey, what's up guys? You know it's your boy Boots Baba here, and today we're going to make a ceviche. This video was sponsored by Boots Baba Shop, and I don't know, alongside your boy Nalo here, Looney Boys Island Adventure, and I don't know, stay tuned for the ceviche and we'll keep you all posted. I don't know, man in this outland here today. Another one is a couple so far on here.
I don't know, big up to Boots Baba for showing up. My boy invite me down here today.
Hey, Kangas. Kangas. Yeah, Kangas. That's the scene. A little play here. So it starts with the bootsman here. Outside on the backyard again today. Yeah, the park playing right there. On the bank. Wait, you know they're going to ride this? You don't know?
I'm the whole my first ever intro. Yeah, first ever intro. And the one for the books. Best fight, or they don't know, big up Boots Baba Shop fishing, or they check him out. And map more fresh, check him out, or they don't know. Only subscribe to him, I support him anytime, any day. And anyways, big up Bushman, I know Bushman you missing out, but I tell you, I come and down and look and you miss out. Or they don't know.
Bushman, watch niceness. The man down in the South Bushy. Karan. Yeah, again, man. I feel this is first time locking. When I bring a man like this up here, you're going to beat them one after the other here. Yes, there's another blue runner here. Right now at the moment is blue runner, carangas. Some of them like they slow up a little bit. But they get hole. As you see my boy there, down this outland again. It's jamming. Watch, walking them like. Come in. Ooh, it fly out. Carangas. One of the silver salmon them to the bottom of the cooler. See the cooler brim? See everybody pulling carangas at the time here. Double trouble man. Got it. You have one there and you have one here. Non-stop action. Small hooks and shrimp bait. Nothing too heavy. As you can see, we're doing some light tackle fishing here. Small fishes. Talking jokes. After the kangas, I tell them Cavalli come and watch it. My boy pull two back to back. Look at it. Niceness, man. Back to valley, man.
Right, so we don't buy Boots right now. Boots, welcome to your home. I'm home relaxing by him. Here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a ceviche face. He behind the camera. Boots, show yourselves it.
So yeah, we here. We have both GoPro Hero 10 and we have Akaso. As you can see, we are outside here on both cameras today. Clash alongside Looney Boys. And I don't know.
Right, so let me set them here. I'm gonna make a little ceviche here, right? So we're gonna cut up everything. We have the pimento here. Right? We're gonna cut up everything, the pimento, the cucumber, right? We're gonna cut up the cucumber, we're gonna cut up the tomatoes, and show all always the scene, right? So you're gonna dice up everything here, and we'll get back to all in a little few seconds, right? So let's stay tuned for more, right? Looney and Baba Boots the world, they don't know, right? Stay tuned. We're coming back to all in now. You could do this because I already had this on one of my channel, right?
We have pimentos pepper here next. As you see, the knife working very well. Looney Boys behind the knife. Technique is nice, man. So yeah, as we say, stay tuned. This is the ingredients we have here.
Tomatoes, cucumber, pimento, hot pepper, right? Garlic, onion. I'm gonna show you with the scene because here why? I have to make sure Boots know how my hand is. And if Boots don't know how my hand is, we're gonna have a problem because he can't come my man it. They say, boy, Looney, boy, you can't cook, boy, all last celebrating on YouTube. I say, nah, they come down here and do something. Independence Day. I don't know how much it is, 60 something years or something. So, I can't remember.
Yeah, it could be about 64 or something.
I don't even know.
But we know it is in the 60s.
Yeah, and there's no shame to myself for not knowing it. But we outside, right?
So yeah, we get the onions here now. The onions cutting up and chunking up in small pieces here. See how to crack garlic? Look at it.
Veggies in the bowl, right? So here is the scene. All you didn't see the catch and they properly. Catch more, we give away, but here is the scene. Sharing and scaring. But let me go down to the ceviche part. What is that going on there? So we had to take some salmon. One, two, some proper. Like 2, 3. Right? I'm gonna go get this, right? And that is how we put this back away. Shove this in the corner. And we're gonna fillet this session, you know. We don't stick for this. Right? A little slow, a little back in the time with this because I can't remember. It's about a little while now me do this. Right? So
alright, so we are Looney Boys filleting out this one here, and I think I should take a chance after to fillet out my own.
Right, correct.
So right? Stay tuned and you can see that part.
Right? Green slab, the bone there. You don't need to scale, you don't need to skin yet. Just make sure you're running the knife against the bone. It's been a while, a little rusty, but all you don't know, what you do. What's that? You see into that, right? That's how you're supposed to do it. We can keep this and make some fish head soup.
6. I just said 6 minutes. Yeah, boy.
But all the head there, we don't waste this. Alright, so I'll slide down into that. I'm bring it a little closer to myself because I'll get trouble to do it like that. Down to the skin wheels.
Lady. Lady.
And you pull in and you go in. Well, a little problematic again here.
Yeah, somebody.
Right, and that is that.
This is a silver salmon here. As you see earlier when we were preparing the ceviche, we're going to use this fish on the ceviche. So take a look at this. I'm going to get it fillet out, skinless, boneless. Look at it. Let's go.
Right. Yeah, boots your handling the scene. Prim and proper. Boots should them how to deal with today.
Trying to get a proper feeling style here.
American style.
Right, so you could run out there. Follow back that same mark coming here to make sure you're feeling that bone. Eh? And we go in there. Look at that.
Proper.
Feel it.
Nice and proper.
This one, I'll try this one, a different technique here. And see if I can run down that backbone smooth and nice. And look at this one.
Prim and proper. You're seeing through everything.
Right? This is waste. And down for the fish and I'm in the pond.
See through.
So we're gonna get the skin off here now. And deboning, as you see. Debone. So you see, and the skin off. And look at the tool. Right? It's a simple small tool, but it's working for now for them small fish. You don't know. Right, let's see the other part here.
See the one proper settings.
So this is the salmon fish here for the ceviche. As you see my boy here cut it up. Nice chunks, clean and nice into the bowl with the vegetables.
That's not wet. You can do it right there. And inside. This is to slowly cook the fish. God, my hand burned me for all them Pikachu. God, hey, hey. Proper thing going on here. Show all the juices inside of here.
So as you can see here, ceviche in the making here, as you see my boy squeezing the lime here. The reason is for the lime or lemon is to more make the fish slowly cook. As you can see, no fire. As you see the acid, just pour into the meat and make the meat like cook.
And burn your finger with all the Pikachu this good.
How lovely. Look at this. Niceness.
We're going to get the rest of the things to finish it off. Keep it running. That's some salt.
So, first time ever making ceviche here by Looney Boys Adventure. First time we went out on the barge, catch some fish, and we decided to use the silver salmon. And here it is, silver salmon with a lot of ingredients. As you can see, things like black pepper, in,
Salt, black pepper,
salt, black pepper, cayenne,
extra spice, and I show you what you will see. My raw fish, fresh fish, raw fish. Alright, boots. Time to rest them down in the fridge a little bit. 10 to 5 minutes.
Right, so as you see my boy, let's mix up this here. We're gonna let this rest in the refrigerator a little 5 to 10 minutes before we can start to tasting the ceviche. As you can see here, we're going into the freezer now. So it seems like the ceviche was a little more pepper here. So I'm coming in this pepper tree here. As you can see, I will take more of the yellow pepper here. The yellow one might be more spicy and more hot. Yes, ceviche is that thing, you have to get more like spice and flavors in it. With pepper, as you see, we're gonna get this pepper more added on this thing here. Right? The hand can turn spoon good, boy. Look at him. Looney Boys, make sure, and don't forget to like, share. share, subscribe. Looney Boys Adventures. I don't know.
Also.
As you see this ceviche done make, we're gonna get this to refrigerate a little bit here for a little couple minutes, 5-10 minutes. As you can see, I'm on my way to the refrigeration, better known as fridge. Down in Trinidad here. Don't mind the fridge looking a little empty here. Today's mountain and we're gonna get some goods to this fridge in a little bit. But look at this, more expensive thing in the fridge, thing like ceviche. Look at this. So we're gonna let it get rest a little bit and we'll taste it and tell you how it tastes and see what more ingredients it needs. Stay tuned for now and keep pushing. Yeah, put pepper man, pepper is making it taste nice. As you see, ceviche nice and finished, 10 minutes in the freezer. Nice lots of vegetables, pepper, nice salmon, silver salmon we use. And take a look at this.
Give me the camera. I want you to taste.
Yeah. Nah. This one's mine.
Anyone you?
By Looney? Well, I'm going to taste this ceviche here. It come from quite up in the north, down in the south land today. Deep down in the south, and I'm going to taste it.
Taste
So I'm tasting the fish here first.
Taste the other taste.
As you can see, this is silver salmon here.
You eat it,
tasting the fish cook.
you taste it first. You taste everything together.
No, well, I'm tasting the fish cook with lime. Now I'm going
The
to
citric acid.
citric acid. And I'm using cucumber here now with pepper.
I hold up, I take there.
Tomatoes. So if you take a piece of everything, it will be tasting more delicious. And this is what we need. As you see, ceviche, finished product.
You don't know.
Tasting pepper.
Ceviche energy. Nice.
This was made by this guy, Looney Boys Adventure. Looney Boys Island Adventure. So you know, adventure means all kind of stuff: fishing, cooking, camping, etc.
I need heavy soap, you outside. Nice.
Sure to like, share, subscribe on this channel.
We are out here. I fully endorse Boot Baba fishing, right through. The boy, my real good to bring him home. They want him to eat, drink everything, right? So they don't know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Boot Baba fishing. Looney Boys and Adventure, say so. You don't know. Easy and out. We're outside.
That's not fix it, Papa. Looney Boys Adventure. They don't know, and they see the sign there, and they don't know what they're looking for.
It's a prototype.
So stay tuned for more videos. We'll catch you all on the next one.
We coming
I
again.
don't know.